No, sorry, this is a
It's
public
fine, it's fine,
space.
it's fine, it's fine.
This is a
Don't worry.
public
Yeah,
space
yeah,
that has
fine,
rights
fine.
to recording.
That's fine.
So I am a living woman in the common law. I only understand universal law. If you would like to conduct commerce with me and you would like to violate my rights, then there's a fee. There's a fee. First of all, you as a public servant have to identify yourself with your ID. You're working in the public as a public servant. So it is your duty and responsibility by laws that you have to identify yourself.
Make it a little simplified because we are
So also, but that's not, yeah, but you're a service industry, you're a service corporation.
Right, exactly. So
And
let's
I overstand the government of India, which is a private limited corporation. All the service corporations, I overstand you. And you have no jurisdiction over me because I'm a free living woman. And also, by the way, if you are doing that, you're also violating your own government of India rules, which state that masks are not mandatory. This is from the 27th of May 2021. This is the government of India RTI from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. As you can see, this is masks and face masks and covers. Face covers are not mandatory. Okay, so you cannot enforce that or you cannot put that on anyone. You are actually violating your own private limited corporation that you work under. And I overstand the government of India. As you can see, even you will notice in the map, it's been already sent to American Navy.
Can we just finish it a little quickly?
Yes,
Can we just have a...
so I get no consent, you have no contract with me, you have no jurisdiction, you cannot take my temperature. You cannot take my
Are you
temperature.
member with us here?
Huh?
Are you member here?
I've given my membership, yes. But
You're not a
I have to
member.
update my address because I changed my address.
Okay, so just wanted to
I'm a lawyer, it doesn't matter. I'm
to
a,
let you know that this is not a public property, it's a private property.
it doesn't matter. I have the freedom to travel anywhere in India or anywhere in the world. And nobody has the right to stop me. And by the way, that is a violation of trespassing and violating my travel. That also, there is a fee for that. It starts at $200,000 US dollars per person per violator, per violation per violator. So 1, 2, 3, that would be 600,000 US dollars. That is how much? 3 crore. You either pay now if you'd like to conduct commerce with me. Here's a notice. And if you don't pay it now, you will send an invoice. And if you do not allow me to travel freely, because I'm a free woman living in the common law, if you do not allow me to travel and to live freely as a living woman in the common law, you will be charged twice the amount after today. I go by the law. I will not
When you carry your law, that's completely fine. I'm completely fine. Just wanted to know that if you want to enter this property.
It's not a private property. This land, the land was made by God, and everything on the land, these are all natural resources which I have a right to as a living woman, and I only stand under the universal law. And universal law says that I'm a free living being, and I have access to all the natural resources which God has created. You have not created this land. You have not created the soil. The soil is living. The land is living. I am on the law of the land. You, as a dead person, have not declared your sovereignty and have not claimed your status. You are actually in the law of the sea. Admiralty maritime law is what you live under because you go by that legalized capitalized name which is on your birth certificate and all your other IDs. I am a sovereign. I'm a living woman in the common law. I am in the law of the land.
Can I just say something? Since you're done with the case, it's simple. It's simple. If you want to come in, wear mask inside, you have to wear the mask till the time you're not seated on one
It
mask.
says
I do not understand.
this is the government of India RTI. You're violating the government of India.
Maybe I am. Maybe I don't understand this.
You're also violating the IPC Indian Penal Code because you're trying to force a
fine.
foreign object
It's
onto
fine.
my body. That is rape. 377. That is a non-bailable. That is a non-bailable offense. First, please identify yourself
It is about
as a
our
public
safety.
servant.
It is about our safety.
Your
It is
safety
about
in
our
what
safety.
sense? COVID has not even been isolated. You're wearing a mask which has
Which has what?
it has not been isolated anywhere in the world. And the government of India, the people who work and sit in every meeting with Amit Shah report to me directly. So I have proof of all of that. The COVID-19 has not been isolated in any lab, not in India. And the masks that you're wearing are contaminated. And if you try to force it on me, you're actually violating the Indian Penal Code, Section 377. You're also violating numbers for vaccines, but you're violating my rights, you're violating universal law, you're violating natural law, you're violating common law, you're violating my unalienable rights to live free and healthy. I am a healthy person. I will tell you also, I have the explanation for who needs to wear a mask. This is also along with the government of India.
Who has to wear a mask?
Yes, it says persons having no symptoms are not to use a mask. I have no symptoms. I'm healthy, and I have no symptoms at all. I'm healthy.
So you have a health certificate that you are healthy enough.
My health is my private personal information, and it is protected, and it is in the security of universal law.
That's true.
And you would be violating my private you'd be a personal trespass if you demand my anything of my medical documents. So you also are there again making another violation by asking me to wear a mask, then asking for my health certificate, asking for my health records. It's a violation. These are all multiple violations. As a public servant and as a service corporation, it is your duty to first of all identify yourself.
I just want to know now
please
from
identify
inside,
yourself.
what did you want me to, what is exactly, why are you doing everything this?
I'm not doing anything. I came here as a free woman, and I'm healthy.
You cannot enter a private property
It's
like
not
that.
private property.
It is a private
No, it's rules and regulations are not laws.
This is a private property.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. God made this land, and I am a child of God, and you don't own anything. You don't own anything. God made it. God made the air. God made the people. God made the land.
I am an employee of a company that
A company which is a corporation, and I overstand the government of India, and you are just one of the many service corporations that is under the government of India, and you violated now. Also, you're trying to tell me that you own the land. You don't own the land. Show me that proof that you own the land, because you do not make the land, so you cannot own it. If you do not make it, you cannot own it. You do not own land. Nobody owns this land. This land was created by God, and it's fair use for anyone who is living. So you have no right to stop me. By stopping me by living freely, you're violating my unalienable rights. You're also violating that. You're violating natural law, universal law, my unalienable rights, and common law. You'll be charged for all of it. Yeah.
I'm ready to take all the charges. Can't help.
Yeah, please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. Please identify yourself. I'd like to see your identification.
I have all the rights to keep my identity.
So I also have the rights.
Finish up.
I also have the rights.
Finish up.
No.
You're
No.
stopping.
I don't know. That's
No,
great.
it's not mandatory.
No, it's not. This is the government of India, RTI.
No, it's not. Do not justify it, please.
This is the government of India, RTI. This is
No,
the
no.
government of India, RTI.
It's not mandatory.
This is government of India,
Be
RTI.
educated.
You are uneducated. Look, this is an RTI dated 27th of May 2021. You are bloody uneducated. You? Yeah, you're the uneducated one, because this is the government of India, RTI, which states that mask and face covers are not mandatory. Go fuck yourself. Scream instead. I would like a table, just like everyone else, and I would like a glass of water.
Oh,